finding exhibits using the Minnesota Digital Exhibit System web client. Your local court contact will provide you with a username and temporary password to log into MNDES. You will then be able to create a unique password. Chrome, Edge, and Safari are recommended browsers. Work with your court contact with any access issues or questions. After logging in, click MNDES Hearing Exhibit Search to find the case. Type in the case number with dashes and press Enter or click Search. Once the case is found, a list of all the exhibits you uploaded to this case are displayed. The first thing you can do is collapse the panel on the left and expand the width of your exhibits list window. Next, click the screens icon in the upper right corner to expand the exhibits list. The tracking number is automatically applied to each exhibit uploaded. It cannot be changed and stays with the exhibit. The tracking numbering scheme is the same for each case. In other words, if it is the first exhibit uploaded for a particular case, the tracking number is T501. The exhibit description is what the submitter entered when uploading their file through the portal. Hopefully, they entered something descriptive enough, but if not, you can change this. The submitter can also change it later on, as long as it's in pre-hearing status. In the non-public column, you'll see true or false. If it's a non-public exhibit, it will say true. If it's public, it will say false. Since most exhibits are public, you'll see false more often. It's not a required field, which is why you may see this field blank. The exhibit number is also something the submitter enters. If a specific numbering scheme is indicated, hopefully they've identified the exhibit number correctly, but if not, you may add or change it. The submitter also enters the exhibit type from a set list. Lastly, court staff or the referee can select the hearing type that applies with the exhibit. This listing is very easily customizable. Click and drag the side of a column to resize it. Click the column heading to sort in ascending, descending, or alphabetical order. Enter any criterion to filter the list. Delete the criteria to clear the filter. Click and drag a column to group by that criteria. Click the X beside the grouped column to ungroup the list. To view an exhibit, double-click anywhere in the row for that record. The exhibit opens in a separate window. Be aware, if opening an audio or video, it may take a bit longer for the player to start. Some confidential exhibits are stored in local folders. When you open an exhibit that is stored locally, you will see a screen called Local Storage. Click Browse, then open the folder for the district and look for the case number to view the file. To edit exhibit details, right-click anywhere in the row for the record. Point to Workflow and click System Tasks. From the drop-down, select the action. For example, select Update Exhibit, combined, and add the hearing type, exhibit number, or change the exhibit status. You may change the description to make it more formal or descriptive. Click the drop-down and select the exhibit status. Click the drop-down and select the hearing type. You should not make changes to the non-public field. Enter the exhibit number, then click Submit to save the updates. Any change will appear the next time you log in. Occasionally, a self-represented litigant needs a quick upload link. Let's say there's an SRL in court who wants to offer a picture or some document during the hearing and it's on their phone. The court clerk can send a quick upload link by simply filling out the form with the party's case number and contact information and emailing or texting them a link. To send a quick upload link, right-click anywhere on the exhibits list, point to Workflow and select System Tasks. Click the drop-down and select Quick Upload Request. Then click OK. Type the party's first and last name. Enter the party's email address or mobile phone number, depending on how they would like to receive the quick upload link. Enter the party's case number and click Submit. The party will only be able to upload exhibits using this link that you send them and will not have access to the uploaded exhibits or any portal features. The link will expire after 8 hours, and a new link will need to be generated if additional exhibits need uploading after this time period. Contact your local court for any questions or assistance. Thanks for watching.